Hi, in the previous video we have seen a lot of things about strings. Okay, so now here in this section we will learn about how to slice the string. Okay, slicing a string. What is the meaning of slicing? Slicing is like take away. Okay, take away from bread. If you slice a bread, then you take away something, right? You want a certain piece of it. So I want to take a certain piece of it. I want to access it. So previously we have used a index option for accessing a particular character or a particular word from a sentence or a word. Now we will do a slicing. We will put 1 2 3 4 characters from a word or a sentence. Okay, so how to do this? Actually, theoretically, if you see the Python, slicing actually uh, will return a range of character by using a slice syntax, especially the start index and the end index. Okay, we have two indexes. 0 is starting and 1 and the -1 is last. Okay, and they all are separated by colon to return a part of a string. Okay, so now just suppose I want to get let me write this first, b. Okay, and here let me write hello Sharad. Okay, so now what if I want to get the character from position 2 to position 5? Okay, as I told you, here we will, for accessing we will use index, means it will start from 0. Okay, so what if I want to get the character from position 2 to position 5? So how to do this? Let me print it. Print. First I'll use b because I want to slice b, and then I'll use indexing option, means list, means square bracket, and then I want to slice the position from 2. So here I will write 2. It is index, not length, remember it. Okay, and then I want to till where I want to do, I want the 2 to 5 position. So here I'll use colon for 2, and again I'll write 5. And if I'll run this, you can see it is letting me to know LLO. Why it is? Because 0 1. Okay, H is 0, E is 1, starting from 2. I have given 2, so 2 3 and 4. Okay, 5 is not using here. In this case, actually, if you will use 2 now, then the last character, it wouldn't be included. Okay, just suppose if you want to use HELLO, HELL, so here you'll have to write 6 like this. 6. If you'll run this, then it will automatically give you hello. Okay, this I'll tell you in step by step why I'm doing this. Okay, let's start from here. Slice from the start. Look, by leaving out the start index, the range will start at the first character. Remember it always. Okay, so now just suppose if I'll take the same example, HELLO, hello Sharad, let's say. Now just suppose I want to get the character from the start position to position number 5, not 6. Okay, position number 5. So this is 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 is what? 5 is actually the space. So if I want to use the space itself, okay, I want to print hello. So what is happening here? Now I'll put print. Okay, then b, right, then this, and then colon, then I'll use 5. If I'll run this, you can see hello is printed. Okay, so hope you understood the power of indexing. H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, then 3, then 4, 5 is space. Last, the destination point is always not included, so it will print you 4 up to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not included. It is the rule of Python for slicing and for indexing also. Okay, and what about the slice to end? It is a slice from start, right? If you will use slice, SLICE, to the end, how to do this thing? By leaving out the end index, the range will go to the end. Okay, let me take the same example. Hello Sharad. Okay, so now here I'll use print B, same. Okay, but what I want to print now, I want to get the character from position 2. Yes, okay, from position 2 and all the way to the end. Okay, means all Sharad should be printed from position 2, all Sharad last thing to be printed. So here I'll use 2 colon and then nothing. If I'll run this, then you can see LLO space Sharad is printed. Okay, this is called slice to the end. And even in strings you can use negative indexing, because in practical scenario, in practical world, you don't know the ending point, what is actually written, and you don't know how long it is. Okay, and just suppose you want to print only let's say last word or something, so how do you know where it ended? So for that thing, a negative indexing is needed. We generally use negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. Okay, let me show you it by an example, the same example. Okay, here hello Sharad, same thing, but in this, just suppose I want to get the character from 0, means from O. Okay, from O to Sharad, overall Sharad, which is position number 5, but not included. Let me write it. Let me. Just suppose, let me change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, WROLD. Okay, okay, so now I can easily, I don't want to do the Sharad thing again, I don't want to negative myself. So if just suppose I want to print the last thing, like RLD, just suppose, not RLD, ORL. Okay, this ORL, and now I am telling you some complex thing. I want to print this ORL by using the negative indexing. To how to do this? Print B. Okay, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, -5, then -2. It will get printed. Let me check. It is printing ORL. Okay, so what can we do? We can this 1, -1, and now -4. Now it will get printed ORL. Yes, understood. Look, negative indexing is not starting from 0, it will start from -1. The positive indexing is will be start from 0, negative indexing is starting from -1. So here I am taking, I want to print ORL, right, this ORL. So D here is -1 and -2 is our character. So I'll start from 1, -1. From -1 it will started and till 4 means -1, -2 it will print, -3 it will print, -4 it will print. It will not include -5. Okay, positive indexing is different, last character is avoided, and in the negative indexing last character is included and the minus last characters is avoided, just a vice versa. Okay, if you not understood, then don't worry, in the future video you will understood it very quickly. Okay, I'm just telling you the basic concept behind the slicing of this Python string. Okay, so that's all I think for this section. In the next section I will tell you about string is happen now we will use some modifying type of thing, modifying a string, how to modify the string like uppercase, lowercase or something. Okay, so till then be in the series. I'll see you in the next chapter. Bye bye.